It's funny. So Threads just came out, this new social media network by Meta, and you're going to see all of the hype, how to make six figures online with Threads. And it's going to be just a couple of days till the courses start coming, even though people haven't done it yet, because this is the game. So here's the game. You make 5 figures doing something, right? And then you make 6 or even 7 figures teaching other people how to do it. It's a game that's been going on since I first started. There used to be things, how to make money with GeoCities and eBay and Craigslist and Clubhouse. Like, it's just, that's what it is. That's the game. The reality is Threads is a social media network. It's similar to Twitter. And if you want to succeed on it, it's just like any other social media network. It's posting, it's engaging, it's creating content that's specific for that network. Now, this is really new. It's not even 48 hours old as of this video. We don't really know what the feel of it is going to be. It's owned by Meta, which is Instagram and Facebook, so it's going to be different than Twitter. It's going to feel different than Twitter, but we don't know what's going to work. And for anyone to say they figured it all out already is lying, because no one has. It's going to take a little bit of time, but as with any social media network, it's going to be testing and playing and trying new things and engaging. It's not just taking your content and throwing it out there and saying, here you go, world, look how awesome I am. It's actually having meaningful connections and dialogue with people and growing relationships and reputations. Now, my warning is, don't go down the rabbit hole and don't go all in on this right now, because we don't know. So I say, when it's a new platform, give yourself 10 minutes a day. Go in and play and experiment and do a post or two and do a few comments, and then walk away and do something else that's proven, because you don't want to do what a lot of people did with Clubhouse, where you spend 7-8 hours a day on it and that's all you do. And then when it drops, or if it drops, you're left holding the bag. So spend 10 minutes a day. Try new things, play, test, see what works. If it works, do it again. And if it works again, do it again. Just keep repeating it. So that is how you're going to succeed, no matter what you're doing or selling or promoting on Threads or any other social media network. Stick with it. But if you're really ready to take Threads to 7 figures, check out my coaching group. I'm just kidding. I don't have one. It's new. Just get out there and play.